Hello again, my name is Osman Abubakar. I am here to solve this problem. In fact, some students from Technical College of Education submitted a number of questions for solution, or let me say for help, and I decided to put some of them here for others to enjoy. Now, this is the very first question on the sheet. Now, we are told that assuming some angle theta is an acute angle in a right triangle or right angle triangle, and the trig ratio of that theta is directly equal to 0.6. Then we are scheduled to find cos theta. All right, so well, if you want to give it a try, you can pause the video. If you don't, stick and stay and follow me. All right, so as usual, I will say solution. Okay, now like the question says, we are dealing with a right triangle or right angled triangle. So first I will draw a diagram. Okay, so I will say A, B, and C. Then this is my right angle. All right, now the first trig ratio that is given in the question is sine theta equals 0.6. All right, now since every trig ratio deals with two sides of a right angle triangle, we need to be able to convert this to a fraction so that we have the two sides, one side over the other side, so that 0.6 is also equal to 6 on 10, right? Then 6 on 10 is equal to or equivalent to 3 on 5, so that 2 here 3, 2 here 5, so that we have the two sides. Okay, now what is sine? You remember the fantasy of so ka toi. All right, now this is sine, this is cos, this is tan, and so look at the sign here, theta. It means we are dealing with opposite and hypotenuse. Okay, all right, so I can choose to put my theta here. Okay, can put it there, can put it here. Since it's an acute angle, can be put anywhere. All right, the most important thing is to know the placement of your sides. Okay, so since we are dealing with sine and we know sine is so opposite over hypotenuse, then this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse. When you look at this is the opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So I'll put my opposite here, which is 3. Hypotenuse is here, which is 5. All right, then I should be able to find the third side, that is the third leg, so I can put S here. All right, now we can use Pythagoras Theorem to do this. So what do I say? I can say that this hypotenuse squared, so I'll put 5 squared equals this leg, which is 3 squared, plus that leg, which is S squared. Now I have 25 here because I have 9 here plus S squared. Now I can rewrite this. So let me group like terms first, sorry. So I can say that 25 minus 9 equals S squared. Now I can rewrite this as s squared. Then this and that will give me 16. Now if I want s, square root of both sides, this will clear this. Now s equals, this should give me 4. So this s is 4. Let me see, put them in centimeters. All right. Now I have the third side, which is s, now 4 centimeters. Good. Now if I want cos theta, and cos is, let's look at this. This is cos. This a is the adjacent, this h is the hypotenuse. So if I put my theta here and I take cos of this theta, this angle, then I am talking about adjacent over hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. So cos theta is simply adjacent, which is 4, over hypotenuse, which is 5. Good. Now since the first one was given in decimals, let's convert this one to decimals. Now 4 on 5 is equivalent to 8 on 10, which is equivalent to 0.8. All right, so therefore cos theta equals 0.8. All right, this is it. I wish this finds you well, so that in future, if you have a similar problem, you'll be able to go through. Once again, my name is Usman Abubakar. Thank you.